Windows has a ton of hidden features that most people don't even know about. These can save you hours, make your work faster, and make your PC way more useful. Here are 5 features you should definitely try in 2026. 1. God Mode. This one is insanely useful. You can make a folder that shows all Windows settings in one place. Just create a new folder on your desktop and rename it to this. The icon will change, and when you click it, everything will be in one place. It is super convenient and honestly overpowered. 2. Clipboard History. If you want to work faster, this feature helps a lot. Clipboard History keeps a record of everything you copy. Press Windows V, click Allow if it is your first time, and it is enabled. Now anything you copy will stay in your history so you can use it later. 3. Shake to minimize. This feature saves a lot of time. Ever wanted to minimize all windows except one? Instead of doing it manually, just grab the window you want and shake it. All other windows will minimize instantly. Simple and effective. 4. Focus period. This one is perfect for students. Open the Clock app, then click Focus Sessions, and set your study sessions with breaks, no notifications, daily progress tracking, a to-do list, and even Spotify support. 5. Storage Sense. Running out of storage space? Storage Sense automatically removes unnecessary files that you have not used in a long time. Go to Settings, then System, then Storage, and turn Storage Sense on. Your PC will clean itself and free up space automatically. Hope this video helped you guys. If you want more crazy Windows feature videos like this, make sure to like and subscribe because it really helps us make more content. See you in the next one.